In an uncertain and ever-changing world, we are searching for heroes. And we've found some heroes here in the Sonoran Desert. You will find our heroes, citizen scientists, observing the changes occurring around us over time. Changes in weather, such as rain, heat, wind, or frost, will have an effect on animal activity and the health of plants. One of our weapons, the cell phone, allows the heroes around the world to do observations and then make recordings of what they see in nature's notebook. Spending 15 minutes or more per week will be one of the easiest ways you too can become a hero. To learn more, go to your favorite search engine and type in Nature's Notebook.
Let's be open-minded. Anyway, we work together, we can change the world.